Ever wondered if the home you're living in is suitable for your golden years? I was wondering the same about my grandparents, and I wanted the absolute best for them, a home that loves them back. So here we are today at Cradle of Life. Come, let me give you a tour of my Ajji Baba's new home. The good vibes start the minute we enter over here. The calm atmosphere, the lush green mountains, and the fresh air, all in the heart of Talegaon. Welcome to my Ajji Baba's new home, where every inch has been thoughtfully designed and made in such a way that it is perfect for them. This is their TV lounge, where they can just sit and watch their favorite shows, series, or any news they want. Right on this sofa. The sofa is so comfortable, the height has been maintained in such a way that getting up and sitting down is such an easy task. The stiffness of the sofa is such that there's absolutely no pressure on my thighs. My back posture also remains maintained while sitting over here. The most crucial part about this is that this acts as a panic switch. In case of an emergency, it sends a message to the emergency room. But it doesn't stop over there. Someone from the backend team will contact with the person to reduce their stress, give them reassurance and relief. This works through a two-way communication system. My Ajji loves cooking, and this is the ideal kitchen for her because it's so accessible. From the fridge to the sink, everything is available in one step, and there is ample of storage. But she doesn't have to be burdened with cooking. She can always use the community dining services where she can go, dine with her friends and enjoy. Now coming to my grandparents' favorite part of the entire apartment, the heart of the house, the balcony. This is actually going to be their living space. They'll spend most of their time over here, from sipping their morning chais, enjoying the amazing view over here, to reading newspapers or even hanging out with their friends in the evening. This is a very unique concept of an open home. This connects nature to all the rooms over here. Say my Baba is sitting in his bedroom and my Ajji is cooking something in the kitchen. They'll always stay connected visually. So this is the bedroom. It's such a cozy and comfortable space. Everything has been taken care of here also. The height of the bed to the stiffness of the mattress. Everything has been made in such a way that standing up and sitting down becomes very easy. The edges of the bed have also been cushioned and rounded for safety. There are a lot of smart features in this apartment. The sensor light is one of them. Say at night my Baba wakes up and he wants to navigate through the apartment. He can do so easily without waking up my Ajji or disturbing her sleep. As we all know, when it comes to falls, the bathroom is the most accident-prone area. But over here, even that has been taken care of. Starting from the size of the bathroom, it is in such a way that the walls act as supports in case of any emergency. Other than that, all the fittings and all the elements have been positioned in such a way that this becomes an accident-free zone. Now, paying attention to the very minute details, like my Ajji has a habit of sitting down and taking a bath. So here we have a shower seat for her. All of these features have made living in the apartment safe and secure. I'm absolutely in love with this place. I'm looking forward to visit them and create a lot of memories and enjoy all the activities and amenities. This is going to be so much fun for them as well as for me. Cradle of Life is the perfect decision my grandparents have taken. Because at the end of the day, this is not just an apartment. It's a home which makes them feel safe, valued, cared, and most importantly, a home that loves them back.